Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Hinkle here. Today I'm going to be doing a lesson called A Dime and Some Pennies. And this is a dime. It's a toy dime. But the real dime, it's the small silver money in your piggy bank. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So this is automatic 10. And then I have some pennies down here. And the pennies are this copper kind of reddish brown change in your piggy bank, and a penny is worth 1 cent. So today, with a dime and some pennies, we are going to count on the bigger number first and then add up the smaller. We're going to be dealing with teen numbers. So to start, for the number 11, I would need a dime. That gets us 10. And then how many pennies would I need? Remember, a penny is 1 cent each. 1 penny, that's 11 cents. Now, 12 would be a dime, 10, 11, 12. There is 12 cents. 13 cents would be, what could I use to get to 10 right away? The dime. And then pennies. How many pennies should I add to my dime to get me to 13? 10, 11, 12, 13. 14. What should I use to get me to 10? 11, 12, 13, 14 cents. 15 would be, let's drag this down. How much money do I have right now? 10, that's not 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the last number we are going to make out of a dime and some pennies is this number, 16. So what gets me to 10? And then some pennies, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There is a dime and some pennies on the back of the game we're about to play. I just wanted to give you some reference to the numbers represented in money form, as the dime is 10 and the pennies count up by 1. And then here's our game. And our game has a dial on it. And the dial has, the dime is kind of the white one, and the pennies are the gray ones. So I'm going to spin it, and whatever I spin, I'm going to trace the teen number. And the teen number that I spin the most, and it reaches the top first, is our winner. So I'm going to go ahead and put my clear spinner over the dice here, or the dial, and I am going to spin. Let's see what I got here. I have a dime and 2 pennies. So what would that be? A dime and then 2 more. 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to trace the 12. I have spun 1, 12. Now I am going to spin again. A dime and 3 pennies. 10, 11, 12, 13. I am going to spin again. Oop, and it's a dime and 3 pennies, which equals, you're right, 13. So right now 13 is winning a dime and some pennies race on the game here. Oh, here we have a dime and 5 pennies. So what would a dime and 5 pennies be in a teen number? 15. Let's spin again. A dime and 1 penny. Which number should I trace for a dime and 1 more? 10, 11. Yep, that dime is the 10 and the pennies are up by ones. A dime and 4 pennies. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. A dime and 5 pennies. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as of right now, 13 and 15 are tied for winning the game at the moment until I just spun. And there's another dime and 5 pennies, which is 15 again. A dime and 3 pennies. Whoop, 13's keeping it neck and neck here. A dime and 2 pennies. Count up 2 from 10. 12. A dime and 3 pennies. A dime and 6 pennies. A dime and 2 pennies. 10, 11, 12. A dime and 1 penny. 10, 11. A dime and 6 pennies. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16. A dime and 2 pennies. 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 and 13. If I roll either of those next, they are the winner. And I did roll a 12. 10, 11, 12. So 12, 1 to the top first. I am also going to make it with the money I have here. 10, and how many pennies should I pull to get the winner? 11, 12. 12 cents is the winner today. Thank you, friends.